guys, welcome to my channel. So today I really wanted to do a Boxycharm unboxing video. I kind of wanted to do like a try on style, so I thought that I could unbox all these beautiful full-size products in here. This month we got 5 products and I am so excited to try them out. The first product I'm going to be trying out is this one right here. It's the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. The directions for this product, it recommends after you moisturize your eyes, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to moisturize my under eyes. I'm using the Fresh Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate. I love this stuff. I put it on at nighttime and in the morning. My eyes are moisturized and just looking fresh. I love it. So I'm just putting that, patting that stuff under my eyes. I'm just gonna put some of that stuff on my ring finger. Wow, this is really hard to squeeze out. Huh. It's like orange. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so I'm going to warm it in between my fingers and pat it under my eyes. We'll see if it depuffs. Not that I have a lot of puffs, but did it do anything? Alright, so on top of that, I'm going to prime my face and then put on my foundation and conceal underneath my eyes. For primer, I'm going to be using the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I'm just going to put that all over my face. I'm going to kind of tap it in. I love this primer. I love it. It's great. Silicone free. I don't really like silicone primers. I really like the ones that are kind of tacky, that you know your foundation will stick to. Those are really great, and I love this one. It's coconut water based. Love it. For my foundation, I'm going to go into the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to mix that with the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation. I'm using the shade Cool Vanilla, and I'm just going to mix those two. I love the CC cream, and the CC cream I'm using the shade Fair. I love the CC cream because it's just like so natural and skin-like. I love the number 7 foundation because it gives me a little bit more full coverage. So I'm just gonna tap those in with my Morphe M439 brush. Is it hot where you guys live? It's really hot where I live. Today, it was 105 degrees. I'm not used to that. I live in California, but it's really hot where I live now. And I ain't digging it. Alright, now I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna press that foundation into my skin. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm just going to brighten up the under eyes here. Hopefully that Dr. Brandt No Baggage stuff really softened that under eye for concealer. I think that Dr. Brandt stuff gave a nice base for my concealer. So does moisturizing. If you guys use a really nice eye cream underneath your concealer, it is amazing. Okay, so now that that is all blended out, I'm gonna go into my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind eraser in the shade Fair. And I'm just gonna conceal all the spots that are a little bit more red, and all my blemishes I don't want peeking through. I'm just gonna blend that out. All right, now I'm gonna set my face with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Just gonna set my under eyes here with that powder, so there's no creasing. And this just took away the dewiness, but no worries. Sometimes I like a matte face, you know. I think I like a matte face more than a dewy face. That's my preference. Just gonna set the whole face with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna take this number 12 brush by Aesthetica. I'm just gonna dip in here and bronze up these cheekbones. I'm gonna bronze up the hairline a little bit. Going back into our Boxycharm box, this is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade number 5 Desert Rose. Look at this beautiful blush color. It's gonna look beautiful with what I'm wearing. Beautiful. Ooh, pigmented. Be careful. Look at that. Oh shoot. We'll see how this goes. Ooh, wow. That is so pigmented. Be very careful when you dip into this blush, like wow, but it is very beautiful. But dang, does that make those cheeks pop immediately. I'm gonna have to go into my bronzer brush and kind of blend that out a little bit because that was a little bit too much for my liking. For my eyes, I'm just gonna do something super simple and just everyday look. I'm just gonna go into my bronzer and kind of warm up my crease. I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 brush, just kind of dip it into that bronzer and just put it in the crease here. I'm gonna put it into the crease and I'm also gonna bring it down kind of in like a V, sideways V shape. Kind of dragging it out here to make a little point. This is a beautiful transition shade. I'm gonna go into an old favorite of mine, the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to kind of line the eyes with a few colors in here. I'm gonna take this Luxie 239 Precision shader brush, and I'm gonna dip it into this sienna color right here. I'm just gonna line the upper lash line with this. Just kind of smudge it out along the line. Kind of bring it up onto the lid. I'm gonna line the lower lash line at the same time. Kind of gonna bring it down a little bit farther. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Cypress Umber right here, and I'm just gonna take this Aesthetica angled brush, and I'm just gonna line my eyes here with this darker brown. Give more definition to the eyes, make them stand out. I'm just gonna smudge that along the lash line, really close to the lash line this time. I'm gonna take this smudger brush by the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and I'm gonna go into that same Cypress Umber shade and smoke it along the lower lash line. Very, very close on the lash line. So next in our Boxycharm box, we have our eyebrow cream here. This is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I don't normally wear eyebrow creams, but we're gonna give this a try. I think we just twist this here. Maybe? What is this? Oh! This is the product. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on this side, you have the angled brush for your eyebrows. And on this side, you unscrew it and there's the product inside. I think you just put that in there. Yeah. So I'm just kind of dipping this brush into the product. And I mean, maybe this is my color. I don't know. We'll see. How does it look? Oh. Yeah, it's a little dark for me. I don't think I like it. I don't think I like it at all. Maybe I did it too heavy-handed. I'm not really used to using eyebrow creams. Should I dare do the other side? All right. What do you think? Is that a little bit better? Maybe? Maybe a little better. Maybe we'll brush out our eyebrows. My eyebrows. Yeah. Ugh. Not for me. We'll stick with the no eyebrows. I'm just gonna take a little tissue and kind of wipe away some of that product I did. Our next product in the Boxycharm box is this, and this I am so excited about. This is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I love voluminous mascaras and ones that curl your lashes. Okay, I ain't gonna complain. It comes in this little cute like squeezy tube, but it's actually, there's a wand in here and it kind of curves. There's a little curvage to it, which I think is supposed to curl your lashes. So I'm gonna try out this mascara. New fave mascara right here. We're gonna try it on our lower lash line now. So I did one coat. I'm gonna try a second coat and see how well that one works. Love it, love it, love it. I think it really curled my lashes. It created volume, length, new fave. So our final product in the Boxycharm box is this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. And I am so excited to try this out. I really like Tarte. The glow-giving skin tonic is infused with antioxidant-packed cucumber, fruit, and plant extracts, and it delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. It says to shake it really well. Let's see. It's kind of jetty, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like a jet, but let's see how this works. Oh yeah. Yeah, it smells fruity, but do you see this? There's like huge water droplets all over my face right here. It just like squirts at you. Oh. It's nicer now. Don't open your mouth when you spray that because it doesn't taste like fruit. It smells like it, but don't taste like it. I'm just gonna let that dry and we'll see if it gives me that dewy look it's talking about. The skin mist has dried now and I think it really has given me a nice dewy look. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm looking quite dewy, which normally, like I said, I like matte looks, but this isn't that bad actually. I really kind of like it. It's really nice for like, you know, a summer go-to look. Again, like this is beautiful. Really right here, you can really tell it's really glowy right there and right here. And on my nose, which I might matte down a little bit just because I don't really like the shiny nose look, but it's kind of cute and summery. I kind of like it. I wanted to show you guys this Burt's Bees lipstick in the color 501 Blush Basin. I thought it would look really cute with the cheek color that we did today. So I'm gonna put that on, show you guys. I think it pairs really nicely with the blush we did. To go back through all the product, we had the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. I couldn't really tell a difference right then and there, but that retails for $42. And if you have a lot of problems with your eyes being a little puffy, maybe this would be good for you to try out. The next thing we tried was the blusher, the No Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and that retailed for $11.99. Not too bad. Very pigmented, very rosy, very cute and summery and springish. I loved it. The next thing was the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Not a favorite. Not a favorite because I don't really use eyebrow cream. This retails for $26. And then we had the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Loved it. Retails for $24. And then finally we had the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist, which retails for $25. And I really like it. I really like the way it made my skin look and feel. It feels kind of refreshed and really nice. This was my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. I can't wait to do next month and see what comes in the August box. I love Boxycharm. I think it's a great subscription value. $21 a month for a total of $128.99 for this month's box, and I think that's just an amazing deal. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Sorry. Ugh. Bug! You almost ruined my mascara, Bug. Are you for real? This bug is like trying to torment me. Guys, so today, okay.